Alright, so that's where we were with that Silver Caries. This is where we are now. So no camping. Where's the sign? I lost the sign. Can you help me find the sign? No dogs, no camping, no camper vans. Alright, so it is a bit windy. I'm sorry about the wind. Got to keep off the rocks. I just thought you might like a nice view out across the beach. Tide's out by the looks of it. Yeah, tide's out, alright. Oh, that sand is hot. That sand is real hot. Damn hot. But since the tide's out so far, we can walk a long way. Look at these houses here, right on the beach. Absolutely beautiful until the cyclone comes. Once the cyclone comes, yeah, that ain't good. The sand blast is really bad. And there's really strong winds, wrecking everything. Thankfully though, up here, most cyclones go up tableland, so they don't really come near this part of the coast that much. So 90% of the time, not an issue. It's only every once in a while that it's an issue. I don't see if there's any fishies or anything living around here. There's usually some life along the shore. It's a bit of a thing of water here, so it could be I'm not seeing anything there though. Sometimes we've been driving along and we've seen sharks and all kinds of things in the little river sections, you know. Seen some big fish there too. They come in and they get washed in or something, or they swim up the creek thing and get trapped. They don't realise the tide's going out. They get trapped there. Seen that happen a couple of times. Even tried to catch them as the pippy has been opened up. The birds eat the muscle out of them. Yeah, it's a beautiful day at the beach. A few houses along the beach. That's where we normally are, at that point there. Just around that point's usually where we park and fish. Dude, what's that? Oh, it's a pine cone. It's a pine cone. The seed of one of those trees. Look how clear that water is. Yeah? Any little fishies. Little hermit crab, look. See a little hermit crab? Scared totally of me. Go on, move. See, you moved. Little hermit crab. Whoa. Almost fell over. this mud's all sticky. Bit of sticky mud there. Bogging me down. Whoa. Ah. Sinking. Sunk really badly there. Oh, yeah, there goes another bit. Another spot. Looks like a baby cone shell. And this too. Look. It's got a little friend in it. There's a little hermit crab sitting inside it. I don't know how cone shells. Whoa, mama, that is deep. I'm going up here where it's a bit more compact. I don't want to disappear underneath the sand. That would be very bad. You guys might have to come rescue me, but well, you wouldn't get the thing to come and rescue me, so you wouldn't even know. Because I've got to go home and put it online for you to know anything about it. Now, I've had this idea of hooking the camera up in a tree and just sort of looking out over the water. I don't know if any of you would like that or want me to do that. But I always give it a try, eh? Could be good for a sleep video too. The sounds of the ocean. Tide's coming in. The tide is coming in. So that'll be a lesson to you. Where a beach might look safe and flat, but in spots there's big holes that you can't see. I guess that's why it's very dangerous to go beach driving, because a very heavy car on a spot like that, you go straight down and get bogged. You'd be bogged to your axles in seconds. You wouldn't know what happened. And then tide comes in and your car's had it. That's the end of your car. Lots of people have had that. They went beach driving, parked or something on the beach, come back to the car and it's swamped. Rips the bull bar off, rips everything to pieces, you lose the car and all your stuff. Very quick, very easy. Yeah, mud. No, don't start sinking again. There's a lot of soft spots here. Oh, there's one. And another one. And another one. Teach me for walking out there. Look how deep they are. Hey? I just sunk that far. Look at it. You heard the sound my thong made. My shoe made. There's actually a vacant spot up there. Amazing. Someone's got a nice little area right on the beach, stairs down to the beach. Got some coconuts. Beautiful. Crack a coconut open. It's good bait, it's good food. and it's good drink. So if it's green, you can drink the liquid, and it's very sterile. Look at the kite eagle thing. It's very sterile, so it's really good. When they're older like that, you do it and it's like milk. It's like natural milk. It's really awesome. Because the sterile white clear fluid absorbs some of the coconut and goes white like milk. An Aboriginal lady tells me if you break it up, put it on your hook, you can use it as bait. Throw a bit around as burley and use the rest as bait. Oh, poor crabby. Look at poor crab. He's had his there goes another little crabby. He's had his guts eaten out. Something's been eating crabs.